Hi, this is Andrew Hendry. I'm a Solution Marketing Manager with F5 Networks, and I'm here with Arti Iyengar, a Product Manager for the Policy Enforcement Manager product, and we're going to talk about policy solutions today. And so let's go ahead and get started.
Sure.
So my first question is, why do service providers need policy solutions?
So operators today are seeing a deluge of data on their networks, a lot of it driven by how subscribers are increasingly using the network. There are multitude of mobile devices that subscribers use, iPhone, tablets, iPads. There's all the video traffic that's riding the network. And so operators need to keep up with this in different ways. They need to make sure that from an infrastructure standpoint, their networks can handle that traffic. And they also don't want to lose out on being able to make some revenue out of this traffic that's riding on their network. And that's precisely why more and more operators are seeking policy enforcement solutions.
Right, and service providers have shifted from unlimited data plans now to shared data and other types of data plans.
That's absolutely true. We hear a lot of the key operators talking about making that move from the unlimited data plans to tiered services, precisely for the reasons that I explained earlier, right? To derive better value from all that data that's riding their network.
Right, and what are policy enforcement solutions specifically?
So policy enforcement solutions, like in our case, we have with the Policy Enforcement Manager on the big IP products, provide the operator with the ability to have that context awareness, that subscriber awareness, and the insight into the application. Using these solutions, the operator is able to have insight into what traffic is riding on the network, what it is that his subscribers are doing, what applications they are increasingly using, and they can use this in a variety of ways to tailor specific plans that more closely align with the subscriber's usage, to just use that insight to, for trending and profiling purposes, or for charging purposes, right, based on the plans that they generate. In order to be able to do this in a scalable fashion, because remember, as I mentioned earlier, there's this deluge of data. So obviously, there's so many subscribers, so many devices, connections. So the operator needs to be able to handle this in a scalable fashion. And so the Policy Enforcement Manager product helps provide the operator with the tool sets to be able to do all this in terms of scalability, in terms of the right interfaces to the right devices in the ecosystem to get the policies, apply the policies, in terms of being able to do the classification, to get that insight into the application and the subscriber riding the network. So really, that's pretty much what Policy Enforcement Manager brings to the table.